Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Big John right around Texas on the present Lincoln 2 Plus. Big John got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment and a voltage regulator upgrade. Let's get right to it. 50 watt slug. That's right. We got you rolling about 1 watt all the way down. 10 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, 28 bird, 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello, and 56 PEP. We'll roll this thing over to sideband for you real quick. Hello, 1 2. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Just a little over 50 watts for you there, Big John. All right, man, I'm gonna get it to you. I appreciate it once again. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.